In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on the Epic Games Launcher. If you're looking for a way to appear offline while using the Epic Games Launcher, it's important to know that the launcher has changed over time. In the current version, Epic Games no longer includes a dedicated Appear Offline or Invisible option that hides your online status while you're connected to the internet. Because of this, there isn't a setting you can enable to appear offline while remaining online. If your goal is simply to play supported games without an internet connection, Epic Games still supports offline mode for eligible games. Keep in mind that offline mode is different from appearing offline while connected to the internet. It allows you to launch supported games without an active internet connection after they've already been set up on your computer. To get started, make sure the game you want to play is already installed on your computer and that you've launched it successfully at least once while connected to the internet. This allows Epic Games to verify your account and prepare the game for offline use if the game supports it. Not every game offers offline mode, so availability depends on the individual game. Once you've done that, completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Next, disconnect your computer from the internet by turning off your Wi-Fi or unplugging your network cable if you're using a wired connection. After your computer is offline, launch the Epic Games Launcher again. If the game supports offline mode, the launcher will allow you to continue without connecting to Epic's online services, and you can launch the game normally. If your intention is to hide your online status from friends while still playing online, the current version of the Epic Games Launcher doesn't provide a built-in option to do that. At the moment, there isn't an official setting that lets you appear offline while you're connected to the internet. As Epic Games continues updating the launcher, new features may be added in future versions. If an official Appear Offline option becomes available, it will most likely be found within your account or social settings. For now, offline mode is the official method available for using the launcher without an internet connection on supported games. That's all there is to knowing how offline mode works in the current version of the Epic Games Launcher and understanding the difference between playing offline and appearing offline. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,